have great news. We have been granted our variance to build a new property in this lot where the garage is. So I'm gonna subdivide this land and we're gonna build a brand new house there, and that house will be for sale once we're done. But because we have to add that property, it's gonna change the address of this property so we can fit in this street. Welcome back, it's Joanna, and we are at our 3rd Street property. We are getting closer to the finish line, but I'm excited because we get to build brand new. Yes, yes. All right, so at this home, this is a rental home that I've purchased and I'm gonna rent out, which gives me this land for free to develop, and I don't have the cost of land. So at this home, we have painted, we've done prime, and most of the house has been painted. All the walls are up. We have almost all of our supplies in, just a few more to get, and we are getting ready to lay down the floor in the kitchen and the bathrooms and put in the cabinets, and it's gonna be a wrap real soon. So this one will be ready for rent real soon. But let me show you and not just tell you. As soon as you enter, you see the difference. We have the hallway now going all the way down. Remember, that was a wall and the opening was over there. But now we've closed that wall completely and made a bedroom. So now this is your living room space. Everything is looking good. Solid wall, solid color. The paint is pretty much done in here, and the windows are nice and open. We don't have the blinds on them, so it's nice and open and it's giving good color. And if you look up top, you'll see that we did not replace the drywall for the ceiling. We kept the pattern ceiling, which is outdated, but you can barely tell. So this is a rental, it's not for sale, so it doesn't need to be perfect, but it's looking good. Over here, we have the bedroom that once had a door here that connected to the other bedroom, but now this is just a solid separate bedroom, no walk-through. This is a nice big size and tall ceilings. Has a nice size closet. This is a very nice room. The ceiling fan is gonna leave and we're just gonna put a flush light there. As we head down the hallway, we're gonna go into the new room. So this is used to be the dining room, and we've turned this into a bedroom. Not as big as the others, but still kind of standard size for a bedroom. And in this closet, there used to be the furnace, an HVAC system, but now it is not. It's being prepped for shelving. And because we built this wall to create the hallway, we have this little nook, and we're gonna put shelving here for more storage space. Across the hall, we have the primary. Now, we have a new window going in today for here. These were the old original wood windows, but now we're putting in a nice new replacement window here. This room is pretty big as well with its own closet, but it's the primary bedroom because it leads into the bathroom. If you recall, there was a water heater here. We have also removed that. Okay, the bathroom needs oil primer, which we ran out of. So we're getting more oil primer to finish off this bathroom, where you'll have vanity, toilet, and the shower. We are keeping the old tub shower combo because there's actually nothing wrong with it. Just needs cleaning. Okay, so this is the new kitchen, or since we took away the dining area, we had to maximize the space that we have in the kitchen. So we moved all of the cabinets to this wall, which you'll see in the next video. So all cabinetry will be on this wall so that there can be dining area here, eating kitchen. Okay, so out here is the utility room where we'll have washer, dryer, and the water heater will go in that back corner now instead of in the bedroom, which was a little odd. We're replacing the window where the board is. We have that window ready to go in, and we're just storing stuff right here right now so we can finish the main portion of the house. On the outside, we've gotten rid of that drooping cable wire that was hanging out that looked like a real disaster waiting to happen. But we've gotten rid of that cable that was hanging pretty low. The back side is the only side that doesn't have the fascia yet. We're doing the outside last because the windows were delayed coming in. So once the windows are in, we can wrap up the outside. You can see that on the base, they've already painted that black. We'll have black trim all around. All the fascia board will be black, wrap it around, and the front porch is gonna be black as well. Some siding pieces back here have been replaced also. If you recall, that kitchen window was all the way down to here. We put in a smaller window so we could have room for the sink and cabinet base here. So this will be all wrapped up too with siding. As I mentioned before, all of this is gonna be black going down, black base, and all black trim for the porch. So this project should be wrapped up in 2 weeks, which means that I'm looking for my next project. So if you have a project or a property that you're looking to sell, or you know someone looking to sell a property, give me a call. I'd love to buy your home. 804-596-9110. I look forward to hearing from you.